Hey folks, I have an alto ukulele to show you today. This is my design of kind of the all-purpose small instrument. So it's kind of got a lot of the features and sizing of a soprano and a concert at the same time, which is why we called it an alto. This is for a repeat customer, Rhonda. We have a spruce top, and it's a really nice one-piece asymmetrical spruce top. The spruce comes from Vancouver Island. And then curly myrtle back and sides. It's really fancy. Look at that. And I used myrtle binding on it just to kind of keep that same color tone all around. This comes from down near Pistol River, Oregon. And so the neck is Port Orford cedar with some walnut stripes in it there. Right? Walnut? Yep. And then pistachio for everything else. And I picked some really kind of cool spalted, weird looking pistachio pieces for this. And I really like the color palette. So yeah, it feels nice to me. The alto has always been special to me. It's like the best of both worlds for soprano and concert. It's just a nice small uke. Big sound despite its small size. So this is number 874. Cheers.